Calvin and Jason from Wild Success did an amazing job of mock. The whole experience from the 12 weeks that we got to do last year were so good and interactive, and we got to learn the NLP tools, which were really good, and got to use them with a triad and learn and also have breakthroughs for ourselves. And then the 4-day experience that they took us through, just so much knowledge, so much tools, and we got to work with so many people, which was amazing to get that variety as well of learning how other people use the tools, or getting their bits of advice as well, and having breakthroughs with different people as well. So that was really amazing. Very hands-on experience, really, and then having personal breakthrough experience. So that was over 2 days, and that there was just mind-blowing and so amazing to be partnered however we were partnered up, and it was just a perfect match to be popped with Joan. And just on the first session, she picked up stuff that I was unaware of just by her asking me questions, and then there were so many little nuggets of wisdom in that, and then taking me through the breakthrough experience in our next session. It was amazing and so effortless and just mind blown. So the whole experience of Masters of Coaching was definitely well worth it, and I loved every minute of it, and has now given me the tools to be able to work with my clients and help them through breakthrough sessions as well. So I highly recommend working with Calvin and the whole Wild team and tribe to do Masters of Coaching.